This specimen is a meteoric iron, and it is a authentic meteoric iron. Is a iron belongs to the core of the ancient asteroid that once a part of the exploited colliding planets from the time of the Big Bang theory, and part of the uh, celestial bodies, materials of the universe. And it contains a lot of heavy precious metal elements and magnetic heavy metal elements like uh, iron, nickel, iridium, osmium, palladium, rhodium, platinum, and it contains of vanadium also. Uh, Meteorite is a piece of specimen that arrived to the surface of the earth, and this this meteorite is a magnetic. I will show you the total weight of this meteorite is 1,495 grams, almost 1.5 kilo. But if you can see, it can lift and hang strong using a ordinary magnet. And you can see the only uh, touching to the magnet is like a needle point, but can lift strong. That is the real character of meteorite. Even you throw the magnet, can stick. This is a ordinary small magnet. We'll throw it. See, the magnet can easily stick, and meteorite is contains of fusions like the Hurley uh, melted flow lines. Uh, even you did not use a microscopic lens, you can view it. There is the flow lines of our Hurley flow lines, a aero Hurley flow lines, melted elements. That is the uh, air 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 aero, aero, uh, melt flow lines, part of the skin layer of fusion crust, and this is the melted metals elements, a rigmaglyphs, and uh, meteorites is always contains of impact fracture like this. This happen when this specimen of meteorite is hitting the ground of the surface of the earth. That is the cause of this fracture. And meteorite is always have a fracture uh, caused by the extreme heat, burning heat, when traveling to the and entering the atmosphere of the earth. This is the mark of the breaking parts of or part of the mark, result of the explosion, exploded uh, breaking parts when this specimen is exposed to extreme burning and heat. That is the fracture left mark. And meteorite is contains of melted precious metal elements like iridium, and iridium is accompanied with the other platinum's families like palladium, rhodium, like that. That is the melted here. That is a precious metal elements like gold, and meteorite is a combination of different metal magnetic elements like the nickel, iron, iridium, and because the meteorite is accompanied by the uh, elements of uh, nickel, iron, and iridium. It is a alloyed uh, metal elements. That's why it is a very magnetic, because of the elements of the nickel and iron accompanied by the metal of the uh, iridium. And iridium is a part or uh, part of the meteorite metals. Meteorite is always range into granular sound up to a piece of a human being, and the boulder size is happen when from the time of the dinosaur era. But in science, in a reality, it uh, left only like the granule of the sand up to size of fish, like this size of fish. In a reality, this is the size of the real meteorite that can survive. And meteorite, the only can survive is the hard materials like this. This is a very hard specimen. Even you hammer it, it cannot easily break. Uh, Very heavy, extreme heavy, and very magnetic. And meteorite is always a chunk, irregular in shape like this. Irregular in shape. It is a chunk, a part, or the only piece that left is uh, like this, a size of fish. And meteorite is have a troilite, a microscopic troilite, and the particles of meteorite is like a gold to brushy particles. That is the real meteorite. Meteorite is a full of identification. The impact of hitting the ground, the fracture when exposed to extreme burning and heat, and meteorite is contains of reddish brownish rust. That rust is comes out when exposed to the nature weather, and exposed to weather or to water or to the fog or to the muddy. That is the authentic sign of being a meteorite. The rust, it's have a rust. Meteorite is always have a rust. If if no rust, it's not a meteorite. It's uh, earth rock, if not rusty like that, because meteorite contains of rust always when exposed to uh, the nature of weather. And meteorite is uh, not rounded, and the texture of meteorite is like this, not is smooth, not is smooth. And the specimen of meteorite uh, is very black, no any bubble holes, vesicles, or meteorite is solid in a single uh, identification. It is a solid, no any holes, particles, or whatsoever. It is solid, very heavy, hard, and contains of classes of fusion crust, and it is a conductive. I hope you will like my YouTube channel. Can you please like and subscribe? Always follow, and thank you. Merry Christmas.